Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Sign into the account tied to the missing phone and open Find My iPhone or Find My Device. Make sure location services were enabled beforehand. If they were off, you'll still try recent location history. Once signed in, request a live location ping and play sound to confirm proximity, even if silent mode is set. If available, enable lost mode to lock the screen and display a contact number so someone honest can reach you. Once you see a location, compare it to familiar places and note the timestamp so you know how fresh the data is. If the phone is nearby, follow safe retrieval steps. If distant or moving, immediately lock it and display a contact message rather than a tempting confrontation. You should also gather device identifiers like IMEI and recent Wi-Fi names for reports. If you suspect theft, prepare a police report using these details and keep remote erase as an option only after recovery is unlikely. Finish by attempting contact. Call the number shown or send a clear message explaining pickup options and a safe public meeting spot. If recovery is unlikely and sensitive data is at risk, perform a remote erase. Remember, this will disable further tracking, so only use it as a last resort. If tracking fails, troubleshoot by checking the phone's battery and offline status, confirm the correct account, and retry after a short interval. Sometimes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.